I am K. Sindhu. I am from Srinivas Ramanjan Institute of Technology, Autonomous, Anantapur. First year BTech CSM branch. My video presentation topic is find the minimum value, subject linear algebra and calculus. First, we discuss about maximum and minimum. Minimum definition is the smallest value of a function over a given domain or interval. In a set, the smallest number in the set. On a graph, the lowest point on a curve. Maximum definition is the largest value of a function over a given domain or interval. In a set, the largest number in that set. On a graph, the highest point on a curve. Here we can show some of the diagrams or graphs for maximum and minimum values. Here local maximum at C. Here f dash of C equals to 0. Next local maximum at C. F dash of C is undefined. Local minimum at C. F dash of C is undefined. Non-local extremum at C. F dash of C equals to 0. No local extremum at C. F dash of C is undefined. First we discuss about the question. Find the minimum value of x square plus y square plus z square given that xyz equals to a cube. We can find the minimum value. Let f is equals to x square plus y square plus z square. Here given that xyz equals to a cube. Then z equals to a cube by xy. Here xy is coming, here xy is in multiplication, then come to division. F equals to x square plus y square plus a power 6. Then we can substitute the z value in f equals to first equation x square plus y square plus a power 6 by x square y square. Let we can find dou f by dou x equals to 0, dou f by dou y equals to 0. Dou f by dou x equals to dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus a power 6 by x square y square. Then differentiate that 2x plus a power 6 by y square into minus 2x minus 3. Then minus plus into minus minus, then 2x minus 2a power 6 by y square x cube equals to 0. This is the first equation. Dou f by dou y equals to dou by dou f of dou by dou y of x square plus y square plus a power 6 by x square y square. Then 2y plus y, a power 6 by x square into minus 2x minus 3. Then plus into minus minus. Then 2y minus 2a power 6 by y cube x square equals to 0. This is the second equation. Solving equation 1 and 2. 2x minus 2a power 6 by y square x cube. Then 2a power 6 by y square x cube coming into this side. Then 2 and 2 get cancelled. X equals to a power 6 by y square x cube. This is the third equation. 2y minus 2a power 6 by y cube x square. Then here also 2 cancelled. Y equal to a power 6 by y cube x square. Y equals to a power 6. We can substitute the x value in this equation. Then y power 4 y cube cancelled. X power 6 y get come to up. Y get cancelled. X equals to a. Then a value is substituted in equation 3. X equals to x power 6 by y square a cube. Then a cancelled. Then y equals to a. Therefore x equal to y equal to a. Therefore a of a comma a. Then we get find the values of L, M, N. L equals to dou square f by dou x square. Then 2 minus 2a power 6 by y square into minus 3 by x power 4. Then minus into minus plus 3 to the 6, 6a power 6 by x power 4 y square. Then we can find m value. Dou f square by dou x dou y minus 2a power 6 by y cube into minus 2x cube. Minus become plus 4, 2 to the 4, 4a power 6 by x cube y cube. Then we can find n value. Dou square f by dou y square 2 minus 2a power 6 by x square into minus 3 by y power 4. Then minus plus 3 to the 6, 6a power 6 by x square y power 4. A of a comma a, we can find L, M, N values. We can substitute the x value, y value. Then we can get L equals to 8, M equals to 4, N equals to 8. Then we can find Ln minus m square. That condition is L equals to I less than 0. A into A. Then we can substitute the LMN values. Then we get 48 less than 0. F has minimum value at a comma a. Minimum value of f equals to x square plus y square plus a power 6 by x square y square. Then we can substitute the xy values. Then f equals to 3a square. We can find the minimum value. Thank you.